This is bulldozer. This is a little interview with the bulldozer, Oscar. And basically, when the 4-man battle royal comes around, I'm winning it. Because I am going to be the zotn wrestling champion. And you can't deny it. What? Is that from there again? For the 4-man battle royal, I need some assistance. I need a second assistant. Is it going to be the Crusher or is it going to be Flaming Hot? It's going to be Flaming Hot. You're red hot, so am I. We're way out of town. When it comes around, Crusher, you make no Crusher, you better watch out. Because we're coming for you! Yeah, my name's Bulldozer, and you can't beat that!